she could easily pass off as one of the prettiest girls in this college. But unfortunately, she's not a college student. I'm sure a lot of students would want that. You were so...
I'd want that.
You'd want that. But you were so much at ease with them. Do you feel like it goes back to the time that, since you missed college, it's like coming back to college again?
Absolutely. In fact, when I was invited here, I was one of the happiest people because, these are the things that I miss most about, missing college life and not having done the normal things, the fun things. And, given a chance, I guess... I love spending time here.
सबको पता है कि आप बहुत कम उम्र में you started working, right? तो आप college नहीं गई थी. What do you think what's that one thing that you missed most about not being in college?
Actually, being independent is gives you, I think, the highest level of freedom. But yet, in spite of being independent, I think my freedom of those college days is what I miss the most. When you're working, you're committed. You have to complete your commitments. And especially when you're young, at the age when I started, trust me, I was missing those canteens and, those movies that I used to bunk lectures for. All those things, I miss those the most.
Now, clearly, you were the most popular, person today here. But when you were in your high school, were you also one of those very popular girls who used to get all the roses on Valentine's Day or any day or any other day and get all the cards on their birthdays? Were you one of those?
Absolutely. And, trust me, yes, being an actor gets you a lot of attention, but I miss that attention somewhere, You have people playing the guitar for you, singing there, throwing roses into your window and all of those things because I've lived a hostel life, boarding. And I just think that those were the most amazing days that I remember. There were so many fun things, roses, guitar, song, having people wait outside your room, outside your balcony,
Did anybody get a good smile from you? Did you make their day? Or were you like one of those strict ones when you get roses and saying, no, I don't want to accept it? Were you throwing letters, tearing letters and throwing them away? Or were you the ones who would just keep them to be nice to people?
I think slowly with time I was learning the art of it. Initially maybe I think it was only the scary looking ones that sort of threw me back a little. The farther the better. But the good looking ones, oh my god, I totally enjoyed that attention.
But whenever Prachi comes to Cutting Chair or anywhere else, all people want to know from you is, are you single, isn't it? And what did you say on stage? You said you're single when you come to Cutting Chai. I like that answer.
I had these few guys, openly sort of. I had I got a few propositions. So that's what I told them. I said, regardless of what I'm outside, whenever I come to National College, I'm definitely single.
So. Outside is Prachi single also?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
For all the fans of yours, you are. I'm sure they're going to like...
I think that when I'm into something that's that means a lot to me, and when it's worth telling other people, I guess that's when I'll talk about it. Because otherwise, I think, you never know what you're into and what's going on in your life. So you don't want to discuss that with the whole world.
No, you don't. Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's a very private thing. Yeah. And on that note, I'm sure Cutting Chai and Zoom would love to have you back. Come every year for this. I'm hoping you're going to come back again.
Like I told you, I wasn't expecting any of this today. I was taken by surprise with a lot of things. But trust me, I had so much fun that next year, even if you don't want to invite me, I'm going to be here.
Oh, we are so going to invite her. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Prachi. So there you are. She's as humble as she could be. And I still think she could pass off as one of the prettiest girls here in this college. You still can. She looks that great. Thank you so much, Prachi.
I hope I look like this for the next 10 years, 10 years.
No, I think for 5 years, I'm sure you will. Yeah. No, 10 years also. On that note, thank you so much, Prachi. Thank you so much. Rudrani Chatraju with camera person Amya Zoom.